Welcome back everyone to Foxtecc. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to turn off autocorrect on your iPhone. Autocorrect can be incredibly helpful for some, but if you're like me and you've found that it's not quite the right fit for your typing style, then you'll definitely want to know how to disable it. Let's dive into the details. So, first off, what exactly does autocorrect do when it's enabled on your iPhone? When you're typing, autocorrect automatically fixes typos, corrects common spelling errors, adjusts capitalization and punctuation, and even learns from your typing habits over time. It's designed to make your life easier by ensuring that your messages are free from mistakes, but sometimes it can feel more like a hindrance, especially if it keeps changing words that you meant to type a certain way. If you've decided that autocorrect just isn't working for you, you're not alone. I've personally noticed that it often gets in the way of my natural typing flow, and it can be frustrating when it changes a word you didn't want to change. Fortunately, turning it off is a pretty straightforward process. First, you'll need to access your iPhone's settings. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in the app, scroll down until you see the option labeled General. Tap on General and then look for Keyboard. This is where you'll be able to manage all the keyboard settings, including autocorrect. Now that you're in the keyboard settings, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Autocorrection. To disable autocorrect, simply toggle this switch off. Once you do this, your iPhone will stop automatically correcting your text as you type. This means that from now on, any typos or spelling errors will remain as you type them. So you'll need to be a bit more vigilant about proofreading your messages before sending them. But what if you also find predictive text suggestions bothersome? These are the word suggestions that appear just above your keyboard as you type, trying to predict what you'll say next. If you want to turn off this feature as well, you can disable the predictive toggle in the same keyboard settings menu. However, it's worth noting that even with predictive text turned off, some features might still remain active depending on your keyboard setup. If after disabling autocorrect you still want some assistance with typing, you might consider trying out a third-party keyboard like Gboard or SwiftKey. These keyboards offer more customizable options for autocorrect and predictive text, giving you more control over how your typing experience works. They allow you to tailor the autocorrect settings to your liking, which might provide a better balance between assistance and control. One thing to keep in mind is that once you disable autocorrect, you'll be responsible for catching and fixing any errors on your own. Also, it's important to note that you cannot revert to older versions of autocorrect from previous iOS updates. So if you ever change your mind, you can always re-enable autocorrect, but it will be the version that comes with your current iOS version. And that's everything you need to know about turning off autocorrect on your iPhone. Whether you find autocorrect helpful or a bit of a nuisance, it's great to have the option to tailor your iPhone's keyboard settings to match your personal preferences. I hope this video helped you out. If you found it useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with autocorrect, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later.